Scientists and engineers are constantly developing new materials with unique properties that can be used for 3D printing. But figuring out how to print with these materials can be a complex, costly conundrum. Often, an expert operator must use manual trial and error, possibly making thousands of prints, to determine ideal parameters that consistently print a new material effectively. They developed a machine learning system that uses computer vision to watch the manufacturing process and then correct errors in how it handles the material in real time. They used simulations to teach a neural network how to adjust printing parameters to minimize error, and then applied that controller to a real 3D printer. Their system printed objects more accurately than all the other 3D printing controllers they compared it to. The work avoids the prohibitively expensive process of printing thousands or millions of real objects to train the neural network. And it could enable engineers to more easily incorporate novel materials into their prints, which could help them develop objects with special electrical or chemical properties. It could also help technicians make adjustments to the printing process on the fly if material or environmental conditions change unexpectedly. This project is really the first demonstration of building a manufacturing system that uses machine learning to learn a complex control policy, says senior author Wojciech Matusik, professor of electrical engineering and computer science at MIT who leads the computational design and fabrication G. If you have manufacturing machines that are more intelligent, they can adapt to the changing environment in the workplace in real time, to improve the yields or the accuracy of the system. You can squeeze more out of the machine. The co-lead authors are Mike Foshi, a mechanical engineer and project manager in the CDFG, and Michal Piwowarski, a postdoc at the Institute of Science and Technology in Austria. The research will be presented at the Association for Computing Machinery's SIGGRAPH conference. And once a technician finds a combination that works well, those parameters are only ideal for one specific situation. She has little data on how the material will behave in other environments, on different hardware, or if a new batch exhibits different properties. Using a machine learning system is fraught with challenges, too. First, the researchers needed to measure what was happening on the printer in real time. To do this, they developed a machine vision system using two cameras aimed at the nozzle of the 3D printer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.